Custom machine components, like this roof panel for the Omax water jet, require special attention to manufacture. The three large cutouts need to remain attached to ensure the large scrap pieces don't damage the machine or ruin the part. SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020 and above includes tab cutting, which allows us to generate this critical toolpath detail versus manually adding these operations for post-processing. We can adjust the length, thickness, number of tabs, along with individual tab offset control. Additional options allow for further refinement of the toolpath setup to ensure the highest quality output and optimal machine performance. With the operation updates complete, the regenerated toolpath can be simulated, giving you complete confidence in your manufacturing setup. With tab cutting from SOLIDWORKS CAM, you can quickly create detailed toolpaths to drive your manufacturing processes.